Hey lads, TechScanning here. So at this point there is no doubt Oppo is working on its highly anticipated Oppo Reno 10 series that will most likely include 3 models. And thankfully now we got our first look at the Oppo Reno 10 Pro high quality renders and even the real life look. So if you are not a fan of a giant circular rear camera modules, which is pretty common now, the Oppo Reno 10 series could be your option to look at. So looking at the handset, the Oppo Reno 10 series take the top left position with an elliptical camera island. And if you can recall, it is in line with the sketch I shared in one of my earlier videos. So as per the renders, we will see 3 camera setup on Reno 10 Pro. The rectangular opening of the third camera sensor suggests that the Reno 10 Pro will also be equipped with the periscope zoom lens, which is contradicting the early rumors that only the Reno 10 Pro Plus variant will get the periscope lens. So if Reno 10 Pro gets the same treatment, it will be a great improvement over its predecessor. What do you think about this rear design? Share your thoughts below in the comment section. Moving to the front side of the handset, the renders are showing a curved display with noticeable top and bottom bezels. It is said to be a 6.7-inch display with a punch hole cutout on the top center. Luckily, we also got the dimensions of the handset revealing 7.9mm thickness, meaning the same as the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Earlier, a leak claimed that the Dimensity 8200 chipset will power the Oppo Reno 10 Pro, while the 10 Pro Plus variant is likely to debut with a different Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. The reason for not offering the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 could be Oppo wants some control over the pricing. To be honest, it's still a base processor with its pinnacle performance. Unfortunately, the launch date of the Oppo Reno 10 series has not been revealed yet, but as the details about the lineup is leaking out at a fast pace, we are likely to hear about the launch date soon. Unlike the Reno 9 series, the Reno 10 series is expected to be available outside of China. Anyway, we are most likely to hear about the Oppo Reno 10 series in the upcoming days. Of course, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.